How to add a background photo to Instagram storage. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily add a background photo to Instagram storage. So first thing, simply head over to your profile section and click on the share icon on the post which you want to include in your story, and just make sure you have one beautiful background already selected before doing this process. So as I have already selected one background, what I want you to do is simply click on this sticker icon over here, and you can simply click on photo option over here and choose any photo that you would like to use as a wallpaper, and simply select it, and just make sure your post is in a small size and somewhere around here, so we can reposition it later using our thumb. And once you do this, just like this, you can readjust it. Just make sure you don't delete this by accidentally. So once you do that, you can reposition your shot like this, and that is it guys. That is exactly how you can easily add a background photo to your Instagram storage. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.